Friends, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show fake love concept photo editing tutorial. You have to download this background. I only created this background and you have to open Picsart directly with this background. Okay, now let's check into the video. First of all, you have to go to add photo and select your model image, and after this you have to cut the model image by using the cutout tool. Completely background you have to erase. Okay, I already did because it will take time. Go to stickers, go to cutouts, and we have to add the model image. This is the model image. Okay, and I am going to show this original image after adjusting in the middle perfectly. Okay, now tap on tick. Now go to add photo, and friends, this is the original image. Okay, this is the original image and I cut out this original image by using the cutout tool. You have to do it. Okay, now after arranging a model image, tap on tick. After this you have to go to tools, go to adjust. Now you have to increase a little temperature and increase a little shadow and highlights a little bit, and saturation increase a little bit, and clarity a little bit, and contrast a little bit, so the image get a nice look of colors. Okay, now you have to add the png, fake love png. Go to add photo. I will give every png link in the description. This is the fake love png. Now perfectly arrange on the top like this. Okay, arrange perfectly on the top in this portion. Okay, done. Now tap on tick. You have to add the broken heart png. Go to add photo and select the png and simply swap to the zoom out, and you have to arrange perfectly like this. Now tap on tick. Now you have to add the rose. Okay, go to add photo and select the rose. This is a rose. Now simply arrange perfectly in the hand. Make sure your pose, model pose is like this. Okay, arrange like this. Okay, now by using this eraser you have to erase the inside portions. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick. Now you have to do a black shade. Go to tools, go to adjust, decrease the brightness like this. Now tap on this eraser, tap on the silver. Now tap on this brush, keep the size like this, decrease the opacity like this. Now zoom in bottom and draw on the bottom to give this dark shade to the bottom. Perfect. Now tap on tick. For the attraction we have to go to brush, and in this you have to tap on this fourth one. Now simply go to and search a nice sparklings. Okay, I am going to add this one. Decrease size, decrease the opacity, and draw on the both sides for a little attraction. Okay, and erase on the model image. Perfect, friends. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special concept fake love photo editing tutorial is completed. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. Very simple and easy. And every page link I will give link in the description. You can go and download there. Now go to draw, tap on these three dots and save this image and have fun. See you next video with new special concept photo editing.